I'll guide you through Todoist tutorial. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and go to www.todoist.com. Wait for the home page to load completely. If you already have an account, click Login and enter your credentials. If not, click Start for free and follow the steps to sign up using your email. Once inside the dashboard, click Add Task to create a new task. Type in the task name and press Enter. You can also click the comment icon to add notes or click the plus icons to add subtasks under the main task. To stay on track, click any task to open its detailed view, set a due date, and assign a priority level. Next, organize your tasks and projects by clicking the plus icon on the left sidebar next to My Projects, then select Add Project. Give the project a name and pick a color to help with categorization. To change how tasks are displayed, use the View drop-down at the top right and choose between List View or Board View. In Board View, drag tasks between columns to track progress and rearrange your workflow.